Friends, today we are making a big fan out of paper. So you need 3 colorful papers. You can choose any color. So let's start. First, fold it like this. Then the other side, and keep processing it. Okay, until you get this. Then fold it half until it's like a fan. Then take this tool, then staple it. That's the small fan you will get. Then you start with your another color paper. You can do a plain one or you can have a color paper. You can also choose your favorite color. Then you staple it again. Then you start with your other paper. Then you keep on processing the same thing over and over again until you get this again. Then you fold it like this. Then find this one. Then you staple it. You're almost done doing it. Okay. Then connect this tooth to here. Then staple. Then you get this. Then connect your other piece to here. Then staple. And this you combine it to like here. Then you are done, guys. This is the final result.